Hello, I'm Chris, and I'm back. And today we're going to be talking about the phrase get over. Now, what is get over? We use the phrase get over when we want to express we want to express ourselves to recover from something, okay? So whether it's a sickness, the score of your favorite team that wasn't so good, maybe you lost, or a relationship, we can use the phrase get over. Um, for example, if it was you had a cold, right? You can say, "Oh, yeah, I had a cold last week, and it took me 2 days to get over it." Okay. Another thing is a result. You can use the phrase "get over." For example, you can say, "Ah, yeah, my team lost. It was such a good game. I can't believe it. It took me it took me 2 days to get over the result." Okay. Another thing is a relationship, right? Oh no, my girlfriend or my boyfriend left me. It took me months to get over it. Okay, or perhaps a test score. You didn't do well on your test score. You say, "Oh man, I didn't get a good grade. I got a bad score. It took me weeks to get over the results." Okay, so those are some ways you can use the phrase get over when you're trying to recover from something, whether it is a sickness, a result, or a relationship, or even a test score. Okay? So I hope you use that phrase, and I'll see you next time with a new phrase. Okay? What it will be, who knows? But it'll be good for you. Until next time, bye bye. Take care. Hi out there. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Take care. Keep watching.